Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. So today we're gonna talk about luggage and dun, 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 dun. And no, I did not order it like this. I actually like to personalize my luggage. I'll explain later, but I decided that I needed a new luggage, and because I love this brand, this is a Samsonite luggage. I've been buying Samsonite for many years because of two things: quality and price. They have an amazing quality, and of course they have prices that go from affordable to non-affordable when it comes to me. I wish I could buy the very expensive ones by Samsonite because they are so gorgeous, but they are a little bit expensive to me. But fortunately, this amazing brand also has some different tiers of luggage that, in my case, they become affordable. This one is in my case, it's a new model. Of course, it's been on sale for quite a while now, but I've been, kind of flirting with this luggage for quite a while, and I actually decided that it was finally time for me to go and purchase it. So I ordered this one. As you can see, it is a dark navy blue, which is a beautiful color. But as you can see already, I have kind of personalized it a little bit because I think it's very easy for me to spot my luggage when I arrive at the airport and I walk to the belt and I see all those luggages coming out, and I see so many luggages that they look alike, and I see people like just touching the luggages and checking if that luggage belongs to them or not. And I don't need to do that because the moment I see my luggage coming out, I know there it is. So for me, I think it's an amazing way of actually spotting your luggage. Some people will think that it is a little bit too much, but I just don't care. As long as I can spot my luggage as soon as possible, it is fine with me. And by the way, come on guys, this is so cute. I actually got the stickers. And actually, the stickers are very good because there are lots of stickers that they just don't actually stay on the luggage. And these ones, for some reason, they are a sort of mixture of kind of a fabric, and I don't know why, if that is the reason, but they actually stick to the luggage, and it doesn't matter how much how often they throw your luggage here and there. The stickers are always there. Of course, if you see the one that I have for many years, poor one, that one is so battered, but it's still so amazing. But I just wanted to have a new one. So this one is the S-Cure spinner, and this collection has 4 different sizes. They have the cabin size, they have the medium, the large, and the extra large. This is actually the medium, and this has, I think it's about 69 centimeters height. And for me, this is perfect. Because when I travel with KLM, and usually the max amount that you can bring is about 23 kilos when you check in your luggage. And if I have a luggage that is bigger than this one, I know myself, every time I travel, I like to be comfortable, so I want to bring everything that I think I'm gonna need. And the more things you throw in the luggage, the heavier it gets. Of course, I have a little scale that I usually, weigh my luggage to make sure that I'm under the limit. And fortunately, because of this size, although it's very compact, it also can hold a lot of things. So usually I fill it up and it will weigh between 18, 19, 20 kilos max. So I am always safe. So I know that this type of luggage, this size, for me, in my case, is perfect because I know that once it's full, it's not going to surpass the allowed weight, unless, of course, you put in very heavy stuff, which is not my case. Usually it's clothes and some gifts, and that will amount to a maximum of 20 kilos. And for me, that is perfect. What I love about this luggage also is the fact that it does not have a zipper. I don't like luggages with zipper because even though, I mean, brands say that it's very safe, there are apparently there are now new ways of using zippers in the luggage that they are more, how can I say, they are safer. But I still don't like zippers. I like this kind of closure that, I mean, you don't need the zipper, and you have this 3 locks. You have one on the bottom, one on top, and the main one, which is this one here, which is a TSA lock, which means that this is TSA approved. So if you travel somewhere and they need to actually open your luggage for some reason, they will have a master key and they are able to open your luggage without actually damaging it. Hopefully they won't do that to me. But yeah, so this is, you just have to punch in your code. It has like 3 numbers, so you have to punch in your code. Mine is still 000, so I'm going to do it later. But I just wanted to come here and share this amazing luggage. And inside, it is so pretty. Let me see if I can open it here and show it to you. Yes, so look at this. So this is how big it is. Look at that. It's quite deep, and then you have this part here that you can also put in a lot of stuff. It is so stylish. I really love this luggage. Oh my God, I wish I could have a lot of them. And yeah, and then you have this little, this kind of elastic here just to keep your stuff organized. And then you also have this inside pocket where you can throw a lot of stuff. What is this? Oh, okay, see? I have here some things from Samsonite and some instructions on how to punch in your code. So as you can see there, I will do that later because I always forget how to do it. Because once you punch in your code, you never change it. So I have to remember to do that. And eventually I would love to buy the same. Oh, it also has like 4 wheels, which makes it very comfortable to carry. And yeah, I hope that maybe in the future I will probably buy the same line of luggage, but then the smallest one, which is the cabin size. I do have a Samsonite, which is soft for cabin. It's gorgeous. I love that luggage, but I would also love to have something like this, you know, in hard material, just to carry with me. I just think that besides being a very handy, they are just beautiful. They're just gorgeous. So I am so excited. Oh, by the way, here, let me just close this. Wait 1 second. Yeah, and here at the on the back, you have this little pocket here where you can actually put your information, personal information, just in case you lose your luggage, so they will know, you know, where to reach you. Yes, and then you have the name here engraved, and you have this beautiful handle here, which makes it very comfortable to carry. And yeah, I just love this one. And I have, of course, a trip coming up in a couple of months. So I'm gonna need a big luggage. Of course, I am still going to use the one that I have. But I thought it was time for me just to get a new one. And that's exactly what I did. So that was the very quick video for today, showing you my fabulous new luggage. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them all. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous day. Bye.